Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit pearl cap snap poppers with our green machine. So we don't need any hole cutting dies for this. Everything is done by the 3 dies in your pearl cap snap popper die set. I'll show you the bits we're going to start off with. So this is our base die. Now this is going to hold the pearl cap. You can see it's got like a rubberized base. It's all domed inside so as to not crush anything that we don't want to be crushed. We'll pop that straight into the bottom of the machine. This is going to be your top die. This we will not need to change at any point when fixing these together. So we'll screw that into the top of the machine. So we'll start off with our pearl cap. So here is our pearl cap snap popper. You can see the pearl on the front, and then on the back we have these spikes. So that's going to sit with the pearl side down into the base die, with the caps pointing upwards. You can take either a male or female. I'm going to take a female section, which is going to look like that, and we want, if I flip this over, we want the spikes to go into this side. You can see there's space all around this edge for those spikes to go in. So we're going to push that up into the top die. Should fit in there nice and snug. Okay, I've got some faux leather here. We'll take it that this is going to be our front end, so I'll flip it upside down and we're going to fit it like this. So put it in between the 2 dies and just compress that down. Should have the end result looking something like that with your pearl cap on the other side. Now all we need to do is change out the base die. We're going to swap it for this die set, which you should have as well. So this die goes in the bottom. It is spring loaded as well. That is going to hold your open ring part, which is going to look like that. Open ring on one side with spikes along the edge, so that sits on the bottom. And now we can take our male piece, which looks like this, and if I flip that over you should see there is space around the edge for those spikes to go in. So we're going to push that up into the top die, same as we've done with the last one. Again, we want to flip this upside down, pop it in between the 2 dies and compress. Should have the male there, the open ring on the back, and they should just snap together and hold just like that.